Consider this. Every time you run, jump, think, or even just blink, your body is using energy. It's like a car needing petrol to drive. But where does this energy come from? It doesn't just magically appear. Our bodies are incredible chemical factories constantly working to convert the food we eat, particularly sugars like glucose, into a usable form of energy. This energy currency is a fantastic little molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP for short. Think of ATP as the tiny rechargeable batteries that power everything inside our cells. Without it, life as we know it would simply grind to a halt. It's the fuel that drives the engine of you. Now, you might be wondering where this amazing energy production happens. It all takes place inside our cells, the trillions of tiny building blocks that make up our bodies. The first part of this process, called glycolysis, occurs in the cell's main fluid-filled space, the cytoplasm. It's a bit like the factory floor where the raw materials are first processed. The second, more powerful part, the Krebs cycle, happens inside a special compartment called the mitochondrion. You've probably heard of mitochondria. They're famously known as the powerhouses of the cell, and for a very good reason. It's here that the real energy magic happens, turning our food into the power we need to live. This whole sequence is a fundamental part of what we call cellular respiration. It's not about breathing in and out with your lungs, but rather how our cells breathe on a microscopic level to release energy from glucose. It's a beautifully orchestrated dance of molecules, with each step leading perfectly to the next. The two main acts in this cellular play are glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Together they form a brilliant system for dismantling a sugar molecule piece by piece and harvesting the energy stored within its chemical bonds. So, let's put on our lab coats and shrink down to the size of a molecule to see how it all works. The importance of this process cannot be overstated. From the smallest bacterium to the largest blue whale, nearly all life on Earth relies on some form of this energy-releasing pathway. A fun fact for you: the energy released from one molecule of glucose through this entire process is enough to power a whole host of cellular activities. It's an ancient, efficient, and utterly essential piece of biological engineering. Understanding how our cells create energy is like learning the secret recipe for life itself. It's science, and it's all around us and inside us right now. Let's get started. All right, let's dive into the first stage, glycolysis. The name itself gives us a clue. Glyco means sugar, and lysis means splitting. So glycolysis is literally sugar splitting. Our starting player is one molecule of glucose, a simple sugar with